Alam mo ba kung gaano ka-serious ang sin kay God? The scripture said, the wages of sin is death. Ang kabayaran daw ng kasalanan ay kamatayan. Kaya deserve nating lahat mamatay. Kasi walang kahit na sino man sa mundo ang righteous. The Bible said, there is no one righteous, not even one. Romans 3 verse 10. Some people kasi they think that they are a good person. Kesyo, mabuting tao ako kasi hindi naman ako pumapatay ng tao. Well, my question is, have you hated someone? The Bible said, he who hates his brother is a murderer at heart. Wow! Ganong kataas ang standard ni God. Because He is so holy, He is perfect and righteous.